Yes, how to trim blades for perfect setting. What I mean by trimming of blades. Oh, Baba, we agree with me that some manufacturers have different type of blade. There are some blades that are not meant for skin, but professional sharpers can shape the blade or turn them to blades that you can use to do perfect skin or body cut. For example, you can see this blade now. You see the tips is very fat, and this kind of comb blade cannot be able to pick hair from the root, from the down extreme end of the hair, because it's too fat. And compared to this one, you can see that the blade, this one is tiny. If you want to use this one to cut hair, it will reach the skin because the way the tips is tiny. Now, this blade, the tip is too fat because as it is, it cannot skin hair properly. So one thing with this SBC clipper blade sharpening machine is the only machine that can be able to trim this blade to this size that will cut hair, or that will make hair be combed properly before the cutter blade can cut it. We all know that this is comb blade. The comb have to pick the hair, and this one is too fat, it cannot pick the hair properly. So what you do is you oil your machine, place your blade this way, you place your machine this way. When you place it like this, you are trimming it. You can see that I'm reducing the fatness of the tip.